Hey peeps, it's Aldo from Zero to Mastery, and in today's tutorial, we're diving into personal branding. Now, this isn't just any tutorial, it's part of Daniel Scafano's Complete Career Toolkit course available on Zero to Mastery. So if you want to expertly craft your own personal brand, click the link in the top right hand corner or check out the description below for the full course. Alright, that's it from me. Let me hand it over to Dan. Enjoy!
Hey everyone, let's talk about personal brands. What is a personal brand? Well, a personal brand, in many ways, is kind of like a corporate brand. We all know what that is. Think of iconic brands like Apple or Nike. Yeah, they sell products, but they're more than that. They represent certain values and emotions. Think of it as who you are and what you stand for, the values you embrace, and how you actually express those values. Companies have a brand that helps them communicate its value to customers and stand out from competition. Well, a personal brand does the same thing for their intended audience. It helps to communicate a unique identity and clear value to potential employers, clients, and collaborators. Think of it as what people say and think about you. It encapsulates your talents as well as who you are, and it's how you can differentiate yourself from others. Your brand is both what you stand for and what you do. Personal branding is one story. I know that may sound a bit corny, and the truth is, it does play a very important role in establishing or even boosting your career. Here's a fun fact: 85% of hiring managers report that job candidates' personal brand influences their hiring decisions. That is a huge number. So let's think about this. Your personal brand should do the following: highlight your strengths, establish a reputation, build trust, and communicate the unique attributes that you bring to your current or desired industry. The best personal brands are unique, authentic, and trustworthy. They build a strong reputation about you that can help you personally and professionally. So if you do take some time to craft your personal brand to target the right audience, it will signal to employers whether or not you'll be the right fit for a role. And that may sound really challenging, but don't worry. There are steps you can take to build credibility within your field. Hey everyone, welcome back. We're going to be talking about the importance of a personal brand. We already talked about what a personal brand is, but let's see how important it actually is. So, your personal brand is important because it captures who you are and what skills you bring to the table, right? It's very critical because think of it as like a representation of you that others are presented with when they look for you online or come across any profiles that you have. And since it captures who you are and what you bring to the table, it will help you make some powerful connections and it can lead to some really great opportunities. Now, you already have a personal brand. Yeah, I know. You may be thinking, no, I don't, Daniel. But yeah, you definitely do. Whether you're aware of it or not, all the time you spend online on all those social profiles like LinkedIn, Twitter, TikTok, Instagram, they're forming a little bit of a personal brand for you. And that personal profile is searchable online by everyone. So, although you may not have actively created your own personal brand, potential employers, business partners, clients, they're already using these easily accessible profiles to gauge if you're going to be a fit. So you'll be surprised who starts contacting you when you actually are very intentional about crafting your brand. But there's way more to it than this. Creating a personal brand can land you the best clients and a bigger paycheck. So actively creating a personal brand for yourself allows you to have a say in how you market yourself and gives you control in crafting an accurate picture of your identity rather than it happening maybe randomly or by default. With a very large part of the workforce being made up of contractors and freelancers, there is a large, and I mean a very large opportunity to land those great clients and those paychecks. And it really helps to establish your credibility and trustworthiness. And it also enables other people to find you. So, being very strategic about your personal brand can positively impact your candidacy with potential employers. So, if you're looking for a job, having a positive and strategic online presence can make or break that candidacy. Ignoring your personal brand, it's not going to help you reach your potential. And we can really start using social tools to our advantage. While social networking sites are predominantly about engaging in a social environment, it's wise to view them as platforms on which you can easily start building a personal brand, especially platforms like Twitter, Instagram, or LinkedIn or Facebook. It's really going to depend on how you want to market yourself. So think about it like this. On average, we spend about maybe 3 to 4 years at a job, and then we're on the job hunt again and again. So at some point in your life and your professional career, you're going to be on the job hunt. So I think it's a great idea to get to work on something way before you need it, because it's going to take a little bit of time to craft.
And that's a wrap on our lesson on personal branding. A huge thanks to Dan for this tutorial. If you found this lesson helpful, I can guarantee you're going to like the rest of his Complete Career Toolkit course, linked in the top right hand corner, as well as the description down below. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on future tutorials from Dan and other expert Zero to Mastery instructors. Alright, that's it for me. Keep on learning, and I'll see you in the next video.